Alright, so graphing inequalities for T.3. So, oh, T. Yeah, just T.3. Clicked on the wrong one. Alright. Okay, so first thing I do is, well, this one's a little bit different, but that's fine. When I have an x equals line, I use my slope man to tell me what to do. So if it's in this direction, it's positive, this direction, it's negative. If it's up and down, it's because it's x equals. Okay? If it's a zero slope, it's horizontal. So, nope, not that. Okay, so it's x equals, so it goes up and down. And it's not letting me touch anything because I didn't minimize it. Alright, so it's x equals, so it's got to be a line that's up and down, up and down. So it says x, so I have to put on the x line because it's an x equals line. So here's x, I make it up and down. Now, because there's no bar underneath it, so it's dotted. Okay, there's no bar underneath the less than right here. There's no bar, so it's like this. Now, if it's less than, it's smaller, okay? And I wish, well, I'll show you my hands. Okay, you have hands like this. If it's less than, it's shaded to this side. This side. So then I shade on this side. That's it. Let's do another one. Y equals. Okay, the first thing I do is I look for the y-intercept. Now, the y-intercept, third period, is the number without x or y. It does not have x or y. So the number here that does not have x or y is
1.
Negative 1. So then I put the point on negative 1. Now my slope, that's the number. This is the second thing I do is the number, is the coefficient. That means the number with in front of x. So do I have an x in this equation, this inequality?
No.
No, I don't. So that means my slope is 0. So it looks like this when my slope is 0. It's a horizontal line when slope is 0. Straight like this. Okay. So then it's time for me to, so I don't have a bar?
No.
Kevin? So I make it dotted. It's greater. Remember, the hands are what's going to tell me if I shade up or down. It's greater. So that means I shade up. So I shade up. That's it. Okay, okay. So I was hoping for a different one, but that's okay. Alright, so first thing, the y-intercept. A number that doesn't have x or y. Do I have a number here that does not have, because this one has a y. It can't be this one. This one has an x. Is there a number there?
No.
No. So I put it at 0 because there's no y-intercept. Okay? So then my slope, that's the one in front of x. So here's x, and I see a negative, but I don't see a number. When I don't see a number, what does that mean?
0.
No. But there's an x, so that means there has to be, how many x's? There's 1. Negative 1 over 1. So then I go down because it's negative over 1. Now here, do I have a little bar?
Yes.
Yes. So it's solid. I keep it, and it's this hand I shade up. So I shade up.